Hello, and welcome to the Additive Manufacturing course. As part of the Learn Robotics program, this course will guide you through the core concepts and processes in additive manufacturing. Let's review the course unit details. Additive manufacturing, AM, also known as 3D printing, is revolutionizing industries by enabling the creation of complex, personalized designs with unparalleled speed and sustainability. This course equips you with the knowledge and skills to become a leader in this transformative technology. Throughout this course, students will delve into the foundational principles of additive manufacturing (AM), mastering techniques such as FDM, SLA, SLS, and DMLS. They will also acquire expertise in reverse engineering (RE), learning to extract design information from existing objects for optimization in AM production. Exploring industry-specific applications across manufacturing, medicine, aerospace, and beyond, students will grasp the disruptive potential of AM. Moreover, they will develop practical design skills tailored for AM processes and gain insights into future trends and challenges in the field. By the course's end, participants will confidently design complex objects using AM technologies, apply AM solutions to real-world problems, leverage RE techniques for design enhancement, and stay abreast of the latest advancements and challenges in the dynamic realm of AM. The course is designed with the following aims in mind: provide a comprehensive understanding of core concepts and processes in additive manufacturing, equip you with the knowledge of different AM technologies and their applications across diverse industries, develop skills for preparing data for 3D printing using industry-standard formats, foster design thinking for optimizing models for successful AM production, explore the impact of AM on conventional manufacturing and the future of production. Learning outcomes: confidently apply your knowledge of additive manufacturing and reverse engineering to solve problems across diverse fields like healthcare, aerospace, and beyond. Fine-tune your AM skills by experimenting and optimizing process parameters for different materials and desired outcomes. Analyze and compare the strengths and weaknesses of various AM and reverse engineering technologies to make informed choices. AM Optimizer: strategically select the perfect AM technology based on cost, quality, time, and resource constraints to achieve project goals. Master the principles of design for additive manufacturing (DFAM) and translate them into practical solutions for developing innovative new products. Effectively communicate your AM expertise and work seamlessly in teams to bring your projects to life. In this course, we would like to study principles and applications of additive manufacturing technologies, data interfacing for additive manufacturing, and design for additive manufacturing. We would also like to review a case study. Apart from that, practice labs for the development of viable systems are highly recommended as well to take the full advantage of this course. The course requires prerequisite units: MT06, MT07, 3D CAD and slicing software, e.g. PTC Creo, SolidWorks, Ultimaker Cura, a computer with internet, and a 3D printer with filament. Additive manufacturing technologies, principles, and applications. Additive manufacturing basic concepts and processes. Additive manufacturing, AM, also known as 3D printing, builds three-dimensional objects layer by layer from a digital model. This contrasts with traditional subtractive manufacturing, which removes material to create an object. 3D printing is a process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. The process works by adding material layer by layer until the object is complete. 3D printing is a rapidly growing technology with applications in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and education. The history of 3D printing began in 1974 when David E. H. Jones first wrote about the concept in the journal New Scientist. In 1984, Alain Le Mahat and others filed a patent for stereolithography, a laser-based 3D printing technology. 5 years later, in 1989, Scott Crump developed FDM, fused deposition modeling, the technology used by most 3D printers today. The first FDM machine was sold in 1992 by Crump's company, Stratasys. In 2005, RepRap became the first open-source printer project, followed by Shapeways in 2008, which became the first service to 3D print objects and send them to customers. In 2017, the first 3D printed house capable of housing humans was built in Russia. The different types of 3D printers. There are many different types of 3D printers available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The most common types of 3D printers include: A. Solid-based additive manufacturing technologies. 1. Material extrusion (MEX). 2. Sheet lamination (SHL). B. Powder-based additive manufacturing technologies. 3. Powder bed fusion (PBF). 4. Directed energy deposition (DD). C. Liquid-based additive manufacturing technologies. 5. VAT photopolymerization (VP6). Material jetting (MJ). 7. Binder jetting (BJ). Core processes. Model creation. A 3D model is created using computer-aided design, CAD, software, or scan from an existing object. CAD. File conversion. The CAD model is then converted into a standard additive manufacturing file format, e.g. STL. The model is sliced into thin cross-sections, defining each layer to be printed. STL. G-code. Machine setup. The third stage includes transferring the STL file to the additive manufacturing machine and setting it up for printing. Setup. Layer-by-layer printing. Each deposited layer fuses with the previous layer to build the final object. Building. Post-processing. Supports are removed, and the object may undergo finishing steps like machining or polishing. Removing supports. Machining. Polishing. Example. A designer creates a complex prosthetic limb using CAD software. The model is sliced, and the limb is printed layer by layer from titanium powder using laser melting. Supports are removed, and the limb is polished for a smooth finish. Additive manufacturing workflow. The additive manufacturing workflow encompasses the complete process, from initial concept to finished product. Here's a breakdown of the key stages. 1. Model creation. The first step involves creating a 3D model of the object to be printed using computer-aided design, CAD, software, or reverse engineering techniques such as object laser scanning. 2. File conversion. The CAD model is then converted into a standard additive manufacturing file format, typically an STL file. This conversion tessellates shapes and prepares the model for printing. The file is then digitally sliced into layers. 3. Machine setup. The third stage includes transferring the STL file to the additive manufacturing machine and setting it up for printing. This involves positioning and sizing the object on the build platform to maximize cost savings and minimize material waste. 4. Layer-by-layer printing. In the fourth step, the additive manufacturing machine, controlled by a computer, builds the model layer by layer. The thickness of each layer determines the final quality of the printed object and varies depending on the machine and printing process. 5. Post-processing. After printing, the model may undergo post-processing steps such as cooling, curing, cleaning, polishing, painting, or finishing to achieve the desired surface quality and appearance. This may involve the use of additional machines and tools to refine the printed object. Example: designing a custom phone case. 1. Model creation. You model the case in CAD software, optimizing for strength and printability with FDM. 2. File conversion. You convert the CAD into a standard additive manufacturing file format, typically an STL file. Slicing software prepares the model for printing with support structures. 3. Machine setup. You transferring the STL file to the additive manufacturing machine and set it up for printing. You adjust the settings for optimal layer adhesion. 4. Layer-by-layer printing. You print the case in flexible TPU filament. 5. Post-processing. After printing, supports are removed and the case is cleaned. Optional finishing may involve sanding or painting for a smooth, personalized look. The final case is inspected for fit and functionality. Benefits and limitations of additive manufacturing. Benefits: greater designability. Create complex geometries and internal features impossible with traditional methods. Reduce lead times. Produce small volumes or custom parts faster than traditional manufacturing. Rapid prototyping. quickly iterate and test designs, accelerating development cycles. Customization, easily personalized designs for individual needs and applications. Efficient material use and lightweight structures. Designed for strength with minimal material, ideal for aerospace and medical applications. Commercial advantage and increased competitiveness. Reduced inventory, print parts on demand, minimizing storage requirements and waste, reduce costs and risk. Environmental benefits. Minimize material waste and potential for localized production, reducing environmental impact. Limitations. Material limitations. Not all materials are readily available for AM, with limitations in strength, temperature resistance, and surface finish compared to traditional methods. Cost. High upfront investment in printers and materials, impacting affordability for complex and large-scale production. Build size limitations. Printing size might be restricted by specific machines, limiting applications for larger parts. Post-processing requirements. Some processes require support removal, cleaning, and finishing, adding cost and complexity. Surface finish. Certain technologies may produce rougher surfaces compared to traditional methods, requiring additional finishing. Quality control. Requires robust processes and quality checks to ensure part consistency and accuracy. Limited production volume. Not currently suited for high-volume, low-cost manufacturing applications. A medical device company utilizes AM to create custom prosthetic limbs with intricate internal structures optimized for each patient's anatomy. While offering superior design freedom and reduced lead times, this approach faces limitations in material selection and printing size for larger prosthetics. Applications of 3D printing. Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, has transcended its prototyping roots and become a vital tool across various industries. Here's a glimpse into how 3D printing is revolutionizing numerous sectors. Aerospace. Lightweight component. Rapid prototyping. Automotive. Custom car parts. Rapid prototyping. Robotics. Functional robot parts. Lightweight robotic limbs. Tooling. Jigs and fixtures. End-use tools. Healthcare. Prosthetics and implants. Surgical models. Design. Rapid prototyping. Customizable products. Education. Interactive learning tools. Developing problem-solving skills. Applications of 3D printing in aerospace industry. Lightweight components. Complex, weight-optimized parts like rocket engine nozzles and aircraft interiors are printed using high-strength metals such as titanium and aluminum alloys, optimizing fuel efficiency. Rapid prototyping. Functional prototypes of aircraft components and satellites are quickly produced for testing and design iteration, accelerating development cycles. Applications of 3D printing automotive industry. Custom car parts, personalized dashboards, gear shift knobs, and even aerodynamic components are printed to enhance car interiors and exteriors. Rapid prototyping. Manufacturers iterate and test car designs faster using 3D printed prototypes. Applications of 3D printing in robotics. Functional robot parts, grippers and effectors, and even entire robot bodies are printed with customized functionalities. Lightweight robotic limbs. Advanced prosthetics and exoskeletons are 3D printed with complex shapes and functionalities, improving comfort and movement. Applications of 3D printing in tooling. Jigs and fixtures. Custom jigs and fixtures are printed for specific assembly tasks, improving production efficiency. End-use tools. Functional tools like wrenches, screwdrivers, and even cutting tools are printed for specific applications. Applications of 3D printing in healthcare. Prosthetics and implants. Customized prosthetics and implants are printed with biocompatible materials, improving patient outcomes. Surgical models. 3D printed anatomical models aid surgeons in planning and practicing complex procedures. Applications of 3D printing in tooling design. Rapid prototyping. Designers create physical prototypes quickly and iterate on their ideas efficiently. Customizable products. Unique and personalized products like jewelry, furniture printed on demand. Applications of 3D printing in education. Interactive learning tools. Students visualize complex concepts with 3D printed models, enhancing understanding and engagement. Developing problem-solving skills. Students design and print their own creations, fostering creativity and innovation.